Good morning, guys. So, as you can see, it's really raining really bad here in Nairobi. But today I decided to come to the Kenyan National Library, and I'm excited. Weather is not ready, but oh yeah, I'm here. What's up, guys? So today I am in Kenyan National Library, and I came here just because first of all I just wanted to see. I'm not here even to read a book or anything. I just want to see the place. That's what I do actually most. Like if I ever want to go a place, like I will go there first without doing anything. Maybe the next day I will come back and do the actual thing I am trying to do. So I don't know if the light is good this side, but I'm still figuring out. So long story short, like in my work life, I've never ever like finished a book. Like the reason I came here, I went to practice the IELTS exam, which consists of 4 different tests: speaking, reading, writing, and listening. But mostly now the only thing I'm having problem is the reading exam, which I am trying to do my best to get my dream score, which is 8.5. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I will try whatever it takes to do it. And when it comes to speaking, I'm not good at speaking. And you know what I mean, speaking is not the language. Is whenever I try to say something, I don't know how to put the words in. Like that's why my video is always consists a bunch of music. I barely talk in my videos. You all know that. That's why I'm trying to do my best. And I get a microphone and I'm trying to come over my worst nightmare, which is standing in front of the camera and saying bunch of words to people who I don't know. So thank you so much, guys. So let's get into the video, guys. Now I'm trying to get something to eat, then I will go home. So yeah.